Hi there, this video will show and explain how I implemented explosion physics from the movie scene in Unity. Let's go ahead and watch the outcome first. Now let's identify the physics elements used in the creation of this scene. The grenade to be thrown had mass and it was thrown with a force. We can throw as many grenades as we want. As you can see in the scene, the player throws a lot of grenades to the boxes in the truck. After that, we can see the grenades colliding with the wooden boxes. Now explosion comes into play and external impulse makes the chunks of the boxes move in random directions. At last, momentum conservation is observed, and if we add individual momentums of the chunks, they would be equal to the total momentum of the whole system. Let's see how I implemented this. We have a script name as grenade. It has a delay variable in it. It has an explosion scene added, and it has a radius and a force defined. Moving down into the script, we see this chunk of code. It's for the delay in explosion. The next part of code is for the main explosion thing. And the last part of the code is for the grenade colliding with the game object with the boxes present in the truck. We have another script for throwing the grenade. We have a throw force of 40F, and if the player presses his left mouse button, the grenade will get thrown. We have a chunk of code for the physics that has to be applied for throwing the grenade. We have another script as destructible, which destroys the game object, that is the wooden boxes present on the truck. The last script is for destroying the truck after collision. Some of the other things that made the scene look realistic are the fire and explosion effects, smoke effects, and also the assets that I got from the Unity asset store. That was all. Thank you.